Hey everybody, how are you? I have a Dollar Tree haul, real quick one. Nothing is in order, so they didn't have, like, it's amazing, like, last 2 times I've been there, they haven't had anything that wows me. But I did grab pool toys for the girls. Look at how cute these are. These are swimmies. Oh, I only bought one. Yeah, I only needed one. And then look, it's like Dory and Nemo. I thought, holy camoli, how cute. And I'm thinking, this is going to be Texas's first time around the pool, and I have a feeling that he's going to bite them. So for $1, I'll try them, and if he bites them, I'm going to bite him back. Alright, then I bought this for TJ for Father's Day, to put his Father's Day gifts in. I thought that was cute. Just a little cooler with soda pop and, I guess, beer or whatever. So I'm going to put TJ's gifts in there. I thought that was, I really did. I thought this was adorable. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I guess John got cat food. I'm not kidding you. I'm not taking him to the Dollar Tree anymore with me. I'm not. I'm really not. Alright, I thought these were adorable. For my 2-card tutorial Saturdays and Sundays. I'm like, I love it. So I picked that up. Then I picked up mailing labels because, and then I needed pens for when I do my flower pens. Oh, I picked up, can you see that? I know there's a glare. I picked up these two. I thought, wow, let me try them. What the heck? I actually like the shampoos I bought last week. I really did. So, I don't know if these will leave-in. I'll read them. I have to put my glasses on to read them. Oh my god. Then I saw someone haul these, and they looked really, really delicious. So I picked them up, and I have to try them. I think this is going to be my snack tonight. They're only 38 calories, if anybody cares. I don't know. I don't even know. I like rice cakes, so I thought, what the heck. What else? Okay, 2 more things. I needed a basket. No biggie. No biggie. Just a basket. But the only new thing I found that I think you all are going to like is that. Look at this cute little box. I don't have $1 on me. I don't even have $1 in front of me. I have a Walmart gift card. Ah, it won't fit. But look at this. Isn't that adorable? They had other ones. I had, I think it had the world on it and its savings, and they had coins and dollars and different savings ideas. But for us girls, wasn't this adorable? I was like, wow, I had to grab this. So this was my favorite part of the Dollar Tree haul. Alright, very small, very quick. Thanks for watching. Give me a shout out, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.